What's going on, YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. Hopefully you guys like the new intro. Leave a comment below telling me what your opinion is about the new intro. I thought it's freaking awesome. Took me a decent amount of time to make it. Let me know in the comments what you think. And let's get on with today's episode. So in today's video, we'll be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Bitcoin Cash to the US dollar on Coinbase. So shout out to Deb Licours for commenting her top altcoin. If you guys want to be shouted out in tomorrow's video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment below telling me what your top altcoin is. Otherwise, let's look at the coin market cap right now. So I'm just going to refresh the page right now so we can get a current view at what's going on Friday. I believe it is the, let's see, Friday the 18th, 8:24 p.m. Current market cap seems to be $377 billion. So that already seems like it's around $10 billion less than my last refresh, which was yesterday, at around $388 billion. We have a lower market volume of 24 hours. We have $18 billion, 18,760,000, with a Bitcoin dominance at 37.3%. But overall, it seems like the market is recovering quite nicely. Binance Coin up 23%, Zcash up 20%. So definitely some nice moves within crypto. Populous up 20. Some nice moves. Bitcoin, it seems like these big blue chip cryptos, the top coins, aren't really moving that much. We have Bitcoin only up 2.5 at $8,200. We have Ethereum up 3.8 at $695, so retesting that $700 value again. Ripple up at 67 cents, 68 cents at up 2.47, and then lastly Litecoin, which is still in the number 6 spot, with a $7.7 billion market cap at 136, with a 3.38% increase. So I wanted to point out an article to you guys. So this was published by Carlos Terenzi and is published today. It says Litecoin becomes compatible with the Blocknet protocol and prepares for Gemini listing. So let's dive into what that is. I know the Winklevoss brothers own the Gemini exchange, which is a huge exchange for cryptocurrency where you can buy, sell cryptocurrency, exchange it. So the fact that they're now adding Litecoin to their exchange is huge news. It says Litecoin, one of the most important virtual currencies in the market, is now compatible with the Blocknet protocol. This is a very good news for cryptocurrency environment because that means that the process of converting one crypto to the other will become much easier. Litecoin compatible with the Blocknet protocol. So it's a very used virtual currency, low fees, fast transactions, as you guys know, and the possibility to scale in case it is needed. Even when it has been adopted by several merchants and stores, it will require a bigger effort for it to be a real competitor to banks, cash, and cash transactions. So it says Blocknet is a system that allows investors and cryptocurrency users to exchange virtual currencies without the intervention of a third party, which is huge. The process is completed via atomic swaps, meaning that anyone who has fiat or other cryptocurrencies can easily exchange between Litecoin. So that seems like it's pretty awesome. And then it says Litecoin listed on Gemini. The information about Litecoin being compatible with the Blocknet protocol was not everything. The cryptocurrency now being listed and regulated on the exchange called Gemini. Let's see. It has been a very important week for Litecoin amid a bear market that has been affecting the whole crypto ecosystem, right? So not just Litecoin. With the Blocknet protocol compatibility and the listing on the Gemini exchange, Litecoin should have the necessary strength to recover to the 5th place and the most important virtual currency in the market. So this page is pro Litecoin. It says we will bump back all the way from 6th place above EOS, taking over an $11 billion market cap. So we'll see if it has the potential to do that. But let's just check out the market right now, see where we're headed. Right now, it does seem like we have found some type of support level right at around the 133. Like I said in the past, if we manage to break below this 133 level, 134 level, we should expect to see it drop down somewhere along this support line right here. So I'm going to draw it right here. You see this white support line, I'm anticipating or bracing myself to see it drop here. If it does, I would like to see it bounce up off. That's what I'm anticipating. If we do see the coin drop below that, it's only really going to go down to the 105 level. That's pretty much the bottom support, heavy support for Litecoin. But a nice pop off the support level right here would be nice too. But otherwise, we may see it just bounce off this 133 support level and retest that high-low MMA at around 156. That's where we need to break support on the daily, and then eventually going up to around 190, which is the top or neckline of this reversal head and shoulders pattern. So that's definitely where we're anticipating Litecoin to go right now. But be mindful, if you guys see Litecoin drop to that I want to say 17 level and retest at any point this support line right here, if not drops all the way to 105, take it as a deal, buy some, run, and you're going to make some good money. Let's look at Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin on the 4-hour is interesting. So I did manage to draw a resistance band, not that. I drew a resistance downtrend, which you can see right here, which has been on us since the 6th, and it is now the 18th. So we've had 12 days of just this negative downtrend pushing the crypto down. I can tweak it slightly like that, which is a possibility that we may be not out of this downtrend yet. It could be something like this. Definitely possible, and it could end more or less right here. So we may see a few more days of downside, but as you guys can see, we are coming to an end of this downtrend, this descending triangle, and I'm really looking for a pop out of it and bringing us up to that high-low MMA on the 4-hour at around 88.35. Now, when I check out the daily, you will notice how, again, we are following this downtrend right here, and I'm also looking for a breach upwards out of this descending triangle, right to that, like I said, 88, if not $9,000 level. Depends if we see the high-low MMA slightly move down, but I'm definitely looking to retest that MMA very soon. We are looking very good on both Litecoin and Bitcoin on the RSI, so that is a good tool to use as well. Let's check out Ethereum. So Ethereum does seem to have this downtrend while it confronts the high-low MMA on the daily. You'll notice, though, the green band has crossed over the red. So there is a lot of pressure pushing Ethereum up. So we may very soon see a burst upwards and a movement in Ethereum as well as the rest of the market slightly upwards, if not all the way up to retest that support level right here, this uptrend. It'll be very nice to see, but I'm definitely anticipating a break upwards, or at least a break above this this downtrend right here in Ethereum. So anticipate that. I'm looking for some type of movement right here. This is going to be the area right now where we're going to see some type of movement within today or tomorrow within Ethereum. If we drop, we're probably going to fall to the I want to say $600 level. That's about right. But there's a lot grinding on Ethereum right now. It has had a lot of support. It is hanging above its high-low MMA. And I'm looking for a nice bounce and a nice recovery off that MMA. That's really what Ethereum has in store for itself right now. So do pay attention to that. We are coming up to a very critical time within Ethereum's journey. Let's check out Bitcoin Cash to the US dollar on Coinbase right now. So I do have some lines drawn from previous times. You can see we had the downtrend, the break upwards. We were following support going up, but could not maintain it. So that means we can add a new resistance level right there, which you can see. And now, hopefully you guys notice there is a huge downtrend. So we're going to retake this line that we had before and kind of just fix it like that, and I'm going to draw it all the way down here. So one thing now you can notice with Bitcoin Cash is it was fighting support right here, and we managed to bounce off support, but had this resistance line pushing us farther, and we did break through the high-low MMA on the daily chart. So interesting enough, we are headed down. A good point of support may be right around here. So anticipate literally where it's at right now. So you can see how we have the support right here and at the top. So it'll be interesting to see. You can see how we've tested it, and we are testing it. We broke below it and now pulled back up to be above support. But following this descending triangle, we may see again a breakout right along this area, or at least a movement upwards, and get above the high-low MMA, which should probably be right here at around 1336, and maybe chill above that, if not go back to that region. But it is looking good right now. If we do fall, we're probably going to go to around 945. But if we manage to break through, expect some resistance, hopefully not much, at that high-low MMA, and then a movement upwards. But that's going to sum up the video for today, guys. So if you like the intro, leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. I changed the music. I changed the whole thing to make it look a little more cryptocurrency relevant to the channel. And yeah, as we're growing, we're approaching the 2,500 subscriber mark, almost at that $3,000 subscriber goal that I have. And yeah, we'll have a giveaway maybe at around 5,000 or 10,000 subs. So smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.